Ichoku Academy is an academy of integrated arts, music, sports, poetry, drama. They all meet in the life of the Igbo. And these things are not, learned in any building called school.
What Ichoku Academy is doing is reenacting the Igbo way of being, existing, and learning. Learning in the doing and doing in the learning.
When the kids come for the training every day, we allow them to play for 2 hours to socialize, know each other. They move from table tennis to Ludo to, chess to Monopoly.
There is one thing you notice when you come to Ichoku Academy is the consistency. The children are there every time. There is also, I love the fluidity of the environment, in which case they know what they're there to do. They have time to play before they start doing their music lessons and stuff like that. But it is the intensity and the ability. Gerald created a safe space for these children to be able to come in there and be who they are.
Communality simply refers to this way of being in which the individual identifies himself in the community of his existence.
To engage, Ichoku Academy touches on the core of what we are as human people, human interaction. Building it. You build it in Ichoku Academy, they come, like I keep saying, they come as strangers and they live as brothers and sisters. Isn't that wonderful?
These gradual steps are leading us to proper representation of Igbo musical instruments in the academia, anywhere. For the cordophones, we have the Ubo-aka and the une, which have gone extinct. We have the aerophones, that is where the oja and the opi falls. And you have the idiophones, the ekwe, the ikolo, which is used just for information, the opokoro, idiophones, the ogene, idiophones. These are self-sounding instruments. The Ubo-aka is also an idiophone, but it is a plucked idiophone. Somebody like Koloma has played Ubo-aka for 10 years now. She's just a guru at it. We have the Ichaka. It's also an idiophone. The membranophones, Igba, of different types. So these are instruments made out of membrane.
Coming to my relationship with my friends and society, Ichoku Academy helped me to boost my confidence, how I interact with people, how I learn. Yeah, it has helped me a lot in my studies, I must say. Because when you read and then you're not understanding, you don't get what you're reading, one of these instruments can help you. And then
the future projections is simple. Ichoku is going where it is going, and we are following. Ichoku is saying what it is saying. It is a spirit. It is an idea, and it's an idea whose time has come. There is no limit to where these kids can go. There is no limit to where the students of the academy can perform.
Envisaging the day when Ichoku Academy itself will become a residency, that people will travel from all over the world to come and learn the Ichoku way.